Welcome back. Well, the market's looking quite strong, and it looks like, this 18,000, of course, still a bit elusive, but maybe a gap up can do it. Let's go and ask Nimesh what he's picked up from dealing groups. Nimesh, hi.
Hi, Anuj. So there is a good momentum for the bulls, but today the big theme is the outperformance in the broader markets. That's where there is a lot of action. In fact, multiple sectors have outperformed today and is helping the broader indices. That's the reason why the Nifty Bank Index is up over 1%. In terms of flows, slightly muted because a couple of the Asian markets are shut today. But there is buying interest from the larger FIs, and within that there is a basket buying in the bank stocks, is what I understand at the leading FI desk. So there is now clear preference towards the banking stocks by the larger institutions. As you rightly pointed out, the next level what dealers are talking about is 18,000 on the Nifty. If that's taken out, you'll probably see a big move towards the all-time highs very soon, maybe in the September series itself. But the momentum is clearly shifted towards to the broader indices, and that's where a lot of sectors have today outperformed and participated in that big mid-cap index move, which is up 1% today.
Okay, Nigel, in terms of in terms of specific stocks, what are you picking up? What's on your list today?
Hi, Prashant. So in terms of individual names, the first stock is Axis Bank. While there is buying interest and a basket buying in the entire banking stocks, Axis Bank stands out in terms of specific buying interest by leading FI desk. So the delivery volumes are expected to be quite high in Axis Bank today. So that's the first one. The second stock is Coal India. In a good market today, that stock is down 3% and there is a lot of chatter and buzz of a possible stake sale from the government coming in very soon, and hence a bit of pressure on that particular stock today. So that's the second one. The third stock is Krishna Medical. Again, a large block, 3% equity has changed hands. Remember, last week we did report about General Atlantic selling a large chunk. Looks like they've sold further 3% stake in today's block deal. So the disclosures will be important, but looks like GA was a large seller in Krishna Medical today. And the last stock is Edelweiss. Again, a mid-cap stock buzzing in trade after a long time. That's coming to my charter list. Good amount of momentum in terms of buying interest at HNI desk as well. Remember, in Edelweiss, the big trigger for the stock is the final approval for the demerger. Remember, obviously they're going to demerge the few businesses which the private equity has bought into, but still the approvals are pending, and hence a bit of anticipation that can come very soon, and hence there is a bit of buying momentum in Edelweiss today.
Okay, all right, Nimesh, thanks for joining and giving us all of those details. By the way, the markets